Even if you put a tester from here to there, you'll see which one's what, will you?
So, at the moment, my wiring down on the spark is a yellow and a grey and red. You've got a grey and red. Is that a grey and red?
That's
yes.
Grey
And red. At this stage, we're trying to work out if the actual black IMMO box needs to be plugged in to trigger the electrics, even though we were told clearly not to plug that box in. So we're trying to see if we need to bridge any of them wires to create a connection so that we get spark and the fuel pump back. It takes the immobiliser signal and then tells everything else to work. He's saying that really that one should still be plugged into the box, but that one shouldn't. Now my concern is I know for a fact the immobiliser is off now because it's not on the board.
Touch that on the grey and red on the other side, mate.
To see if the wires...
Yeah.
Oh yeah, here. Yeah.
That's the wire, yeah. So if it's not connected, it's not going to it, is it?
Well, it is, because that's powered, isn't it? Isn't?
No, this just from here to there. But now you need to bridge this into that. Well, this into the power, so the power goes into it.
That's a good point.
There's no power going into this.
But then surely we only need to bridge what the next colour then, because the green. So my theory is that spark, yeah, we know that goes to spark.
Yeah.
But the computer is not telling that to be live from the ignition switch right now, unless the ignition switch has a separate system. So my theory is that what one do we think is the fuel pump? It could be any.
Just try one.
My theory is that we should be bridging either the earth and them, or them together to create something. Next step, if I pull out the fuel pump, I can test the fuel pump by adding power directly to it. Yeah, no, that's it, because now, sometimes these things, you just give them a tap. Just give them a knock.
Yeah.
But we can, there you go, black and blue.
There's no blue on top.
So the power's coming from that red and green. There you go, it's this way around.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So the pump's good.
Yeah, pump's working.
But there's no power going
through these looms.
So I wonder if we twist the wires together again. Bugs, but.
Yeah.
Alright.
No, we're going for
Go on then.
It's not plugged in that bit. That was good though.
Bugs, but.
Yeah.
Alright.
No, we're going for
Go on then.
It's not plugged in that bit. That was good though.
Bugs, but.
Yeah.
Alright.
No, we're going for
Go on then.
It's not plugged in that bit. That was good though.
It pumped fuel.
Yes, that was good.
How?
Bridging it.
It pumped fuel.
Yeah, do you want to put that back on?
Yeah, but I've not even got it on here.
Oh, okay. Oh,
But I kind of wanted that. But how did we get what?
Because this light was on there. It's a new light, the engine management light.
What have you gone up there? What have you got on up there?
I got 3 of them put together still.
All right. So leave them like that.
Yeah, just the 3 colours. Yeah.
All right. Let's pump fuel a little bit. I want to clean the lines. Wow. So we could have spark. So hang on. Let me connect this back up so we're not spilling.
Yeah.
Go on then.
Oh.
Carefully, don't shoot forward.
Light's gone off now.
Yeah, but the fuel pump will be building up.
No, the engine management light was on. This one was on before. That light's gone off.
Yeah, but we don't want that on.
No, but that light, when that light was on, that's when it was pumping.
Try again. That might be the side stand.
No, but there you go. And it's, you can hear it kicking in. So yeah, you can do that, mate. Well done. Oh no, I can't. But that's alright.
So wait, but it will only start if the side stand's on.
On.
So it's back to front. That don't make sense.
That's good though.
That's
a smaller problem.
I have no idea though. But I don't.
All the problem. All we have to do is wire the sides down the other way around.
We just fire it up. But I don't. Yeah, that's easy. Yeah, I'm gonna take the side stand off anyway. I have no idea how we got there. It can't be that one random.
I don't reckon that. I reckon you don't take that wire out. I think you just probably plug that in properly.
Wait, I want to at least warm it up first before changing anything.
No, go keep the sides down, mate.
You're saying it won't start?
No, it won't, because the light don't come on. See that light? Yeah.
Yeah, it's pumping.
Yes, you can hear it.
I'll just plug the sensor, the fuel sensor, because it's saying it can't. Actually, no, because I need to put the thing back on. That sounds healthy.
As soon as you lift that side down, get out. We'll have to try.
Sounds great.
I think I pull these two wires out. It still work. Remember what code is that?
Pull it fast, Yeah, but it might not start back up.
Let's start back out. I don't think it's that.
Doesn't want to rev yet, but the automatic choke.
I think now keep the side stand up a bit. Yeah, that's it. Side stand.
So what did we change?
You just, I think you do it plug in properly.
Oh, I pulled it back out.
Yeah. Put it back in.
I don't want to rev though.
Might just be the wires in front.
Might just be warming up.
Oh, it's moving as well.
So if we untwisted them wires,
Well, turn it off, turn it back on again. See if it works without this bit, right?
I don't want to lose it.
Yeah, it's working.
Sounds great.
And now, turn it back up and it'll work straight afterwards.
Yeah.
Look, and the light's on.
Can hear it.
Yep, that's fine, it'll start straight away. But without it, doesn't matter. Perfect. Alright, let's turn it off one more time. I'll disconnect these wires at the front. Let's see what happens.
Alright. Because I don't think they're anything to do with it.
No, let's have a look.
Although it'd be nice if we did resolve an issue.
That's it. Perfect.
Yes.
That was all through the plug.
Yeah, but it was plugged. There's only one way.
Must have been dirt or something.
Maybe it needed a wiggle. I did wiggle it.
Yeah, maybe like use friction. That's it, done. Nothing else needs to do.
Wow.
That was a quick job.
I'm overwhelmed.
Hey, the whole job.
31,000 kilometres. It's not much. 20,000 miles.
That's good.
That's amazing.
That was worth the money getting paid for it.
Yeah.
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 That was it.
100 quid.
Perfect.
Sounds great. I need to let it warm up. Poor guy's been sitting for 2 years. Wow. I'm so pleased. So pleased. I don't quite know what the difference was. Danny's saying that I plugged the CDI in. It needed a bit of a wiggle. It wasn't quite straight. Because all I did was pull it out. We messed around. I reset it and it came on. So it might have been maybe one of the pins.
It's got to be that. All the lights disconnected the front and the middle's disconnected.
Look how sad it looks. It looked so good when it was together. So tomorrow now,
Put it together.
a bit of a brake service, piece it together. Wow, I'm so pleased. So pleased. Guys, I am over the moon.
Your phone's sitting in front.
Front brake service, rear brakes fine, just double checked it, feels so much better. The wheels have a bit of oxidation on the sides. I might put the Dremel on tomorrow, see if I can clean them a touch, but I'm not that worried. Ultimately this will need a kind of quick jet wash or something at the end if I can't get it. If I can't get it much cleaner tomorrow. But I mean, I was chatting to Danny about it. It's all there. It's all doing everything. It doesn't really need this and that. The oil's good. The oil's fine. It's high. The brake pads I've just done. The brake pads are great. I just gave them a good clean and service. Everything. Spark plug looks pretty much brand new. It's not really. I don't want to give myself work for the sake of giving myself work. So at the moment, I'm gonna be piecing it back together tomorrow, checking all the lights and horns and everything, and leaving it. Really, I'm gonna leave it. Get it MOT'd next week. If it passes, it'll be up for sale. I am, of course, spraying and cleaning everything as I go along, and adding anything I've missed, like clips here. I need a clip for here. It was my fault, but I need a clip for there, and so on.